Kapag mga bata tinuturuan, parang hindi talaga sila nag-focus.
Kaya nga dapat yan, hindi nasasabay sa mga ano.
Yung maliliit. Eto, itong tatlo.
Again. Yes, ready. Go. Good, ready. One. High five. Okay, that's it, ha?
Yeah. Ayaw kasi mag-focus na dyan kasi papa niya. Kumuha ko chilyo, teka. Okay. Kagano mo yun?
Ready. Good, ready. One. Down. Ready. No, kick first. Kick. Ready, more power. Yeah, ready.
Wala akong pala eh. Oh, yun ako pala eh.
Hindi, kailangan lang kasi lagi yung tatay niya ba?
Good time. Good job. Galing. Sudah, ha? Ready. Shout out.
Wow.
Good. Ready.
Matay ba na yung isip ko ah.
Kuha niya ni kuya niya kanina.
Good job.
Ang galing na.
Very good. Now make it bounce. Jump.
Yari ang tatay niya.
Bounce.
Last one. Ready. Oh, wala. Okay, ready. Shout out. Ready. One. Target. Down.
Kapatid niya